Hello, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and shoutout po kay Sir Jerome. Sir, welcome. This is your unit DWE Glock 19 G series Gen 4. Comes with number 12 Pop Dino Green Gas Standard Power kasama na po sa package. And also comes with 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. Airsoft BBs kasama na po sa package. And this is the box. This is Gen 4 Glock 19. And this type B. Okay. Made in Taiwan. Okay. Buksan na natin yung box. Comes with owner's manual. WE owner's manual. Also comes with the 2 box straps. And of course yung box strap pin. And the unit. Glock 19 Gen 4, one of my favorite pistol talaga, Glock 19. Nagustuhan ko sa kanya kasi hindi siya malaki, hindi rin siya maliit. Okay, nasa middle siya, subcompact pistol, no? Paborito ko talaga pistol Glock 19. Kahit ano dyan, Gen 4 or Gen 5, pero mas paborito ko talaga yung Gen 4. Kasi sa Gen 5 po, Glock 19 Gen 5, wala na pong markings. Just like sa mga, just like dun sa Glock 17 na Gen 5, walang markings na yung slide. At this one, yung Gen 4, mayroon siyang markings. Sa Gen 5, wala na po ito. At tinatanggal na nila ang markings sa Gen 5. Gen 4, may markings. So, kaya mas nagustuhan ko ang Gen 4 kasi may markings. No? Yan. Okay. 24 rounder capacity magazine. 19 pala. 19 rounder capacity. Okay. Tsaka yung nagustuhan ko din sa kanya yung kanyang sight. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi para sa akin, maliit lang ang kamay ko. So, saktong-sakto lang yan yung grip. Ayan. Okay, compatible din dito yung extended magazine, yung 50 rounder. Ayan. Okay, ganda ng unit mo, Sir Jerome. Paborito ko talaga Glock 19. Okay, Glock 19 or yung Brontosaurus. Yung paborito ko. Kasi mahilig ako sa compact. Subcompact, actually. Subcompact. Okay, Glock 19 by WE. Subcompact pistol. So, ngayon, testingin natin kung ilang EPS. Sir Jerome. Okay. Tatlong shots lang muna ilalagay natin. Okay. But before tayo mag-test, sir, yan, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda si Glock 19 Gen 4. Made in Taiwan. So, pwede po siyang lagyan ng, tracer units kasi may thread yan. Outer barrel niya. Accessories, pwede rin pong lagyan. Flashlight. Red dot optic, pwede rin pong lagyan ng red dot optic sight. Mayroon po tayong red dot optic sight para sa Glock. Okay, so testing. Okay, Sir Jerome, testing tayo ng inyong unit, the Glock 19 Gen 4 by WE. Okay, chronograph testing. Okay, firing. 349.9. 349.9. One more. 345.3. And then last one, 328.3. Okay, and then open chamber. Dahil wala na siyang bala, open chamber. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide lang. Hammer down. Okay? Proceed tayo sa shooting test, Sir Jerome. Okay, Glock 19 Gen 4. Okay, Sir Jerome, shooting test ng inyong Glock 19 Gen 4 by WE. Ang ganda talaga nyo. Ganda ng forma ng Glock 19. Testing. Firing. Okay, ubusin lang natin yung bala. Okay, open chamber. Release the magazine and then pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Jerome, okay na po ang inyong unit. Ang ganda nyo. The Glock 19 Gen 4 by WE. Kung may question pa po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.